Hi all, I thought I'd do a very quick video, show you a quick view of me shooting my Reximex Mito that I've yet to do a review on. I've had all week to do it, but I've had a couple of days of illness, so things haven't gone to plan, so I thought I'd just knock this one up. It's the 24th of December, and happy Christmas to all my regular and new subscribers. And look, I'm even wearing the Reximex hat. We'll go into that one later, but I'm going to do 10 shots using the fairly newly acquired Reximex Mito 177 hand pistol that's regulated. There's 190 bar of pressure. You won't see it, I shouldn't think, on this video because it's pretty dark. It's dark outside. It's about 7 PM, so I thought I'll do a really quick video to wish everybody happy Christmas. Thanks for sticking with me, and thanks to my new subscribers, and a happy new year in 2023. Let's hope it's a good one for all of us. And I'm going to get my lights. I've got some lights that have been provided by John, my friend John, who supplies me with a lot of the guns I'm reviewing after Christmas, and the ones he's already borrowed me. Very kind of him. And I'll be shooting the Air Arms Diablo Express pellets, the quite light ones. Right, I'll be shooting this homemade target that I've just tested my new Canon printer out with. I've just knocked one up as quick as I could, and it printed. I've got the gun from Pal Pack, so I'll put that there. It's a 177. These are the pellets I'm going to be using. Look, these ones here, and I'm going to be shooting freehand 14.8 to be exact. I've measured it, the distance, 14.8 yards down my garden in total darkness. There's the 10 shots I'm going to take. I'm hoping, I really am hoping, but I can't see it, I'll get all targets somewhere within that black circle. If I hit any in the centre, that's a bonus, but I'm doing it freehand, and this gun is front heavy with that. And also I had the grip off it last night, and I've adjusted the trigger because the trigger was a bit hard for my liking, and I'm sporting a red dot sight. But I will do a full review on this gun after Christmas when I've got more time, and hopefully my health is a bit better than it has been the last few days. I've had man flu. There's the lights I'll be using to light my garden up with, provided by John. Much appreciated, John. And we'll have a view out there, because I don't think you're going to see a lot at the moment, but I'm going to light that up down the garden there. Total darkness. Oh, actually it's only 10 to follow. I've just looked at the clock, but that's where the target is. It's down there, you ain't going to see it. I'll get my stuff in position and we'll get it lit up, and then we'll start. Right. I've got a wobbly hand, it's not looking good. Well, there's my target down there. It's been lit up by those lights that I showed you. There it is, in situ, 14.8 yards. I'm in my kitchen, it's pitch black, it's about 6 degrees Celsius. Right, let's get the camera in position. Please don't hit my camera. Hit anything but not my camera. Right. Not very focused either, but let's go. We'll use 2 hands. One. Hit the target. I don't know where. We'll definitely hit it. 2. Definitely a disciple of a single shot butcher. I think this is number 3. I think it's good. game. We'll go indoors and look at the damage. At least we hit all 10. Sure, I'm sure there's a lot of people that could have done a lot better than me, but I did manage to get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the circle area. And I was cheating, I was holding the gun with 2 hands, but I had to do that because I was a bit wobbly with one with the big silencer on the front. Then I got 4 outside the circle, but at least I hit the actual target with every shot. So that's a bonus. But there's 6 shots there, and there's a 2 pence. So 6 shots go under, but I'm pretty sure with much more practice, and the gun is very, very accurate, as you'll see when I do a review. I get 5 shots, just a bit bigger than that centre circle when the gun's rested, just to show how accurate it is. It really is accurate, but I still haven't set the trigger as I'd like it. I'd like it a lot lighter than what it is. I have lightened it a bit, but it still needs more work. But it's not a true, by any sense of the word, match grade trigger. But then the gun is £450, and if you want a top end Steyr, Air Arms, Walther, whatever, it's going to cost you, well, some of them are nearly £2,000, well, £1,800 the Evo 10 Steyr is. This is 450 quid, and I can't complain. I got this gun 50% sale for 229. But there you go. 6 of me 10 shots, 102 pence, and at least I hit the target with all 10. But you all take care. Thanks for looking in. Have a marvellous Christmas tomorrow. It's 24th of December today, as I say, Saturday the 24th. Have a cracking day tomorrow, and hopefully 2023 will be a brilliant year for everyone. And I look forward to making some more videos soon. Take care everyone. Bye for now.